construction corner number 9, starting outside here on Camelback, one of the last recognizable pieces from what was here on campus, is the beautiful pepper tree. We're very excited that we were able to save it. Provides a great welcome to those and is just a symbol of what we were and what we continue to be. The other reason we want to start out here is it starts to show you the size and breadth of what this space actually is. While the wall looks intimidatingly tall from where we are, please keep in mind that there is a berm that slopes up to the wall about 5 or 6 feet, so what you see here isn't going to be as tall as it feels from Camelback. The entry is also starting to take shape off on the far right as you're entering campus. It's going to be architecturally beautiful, and the finishes of the stone are really going to make it pop. I'm going to take you a little bit to the inside part of this so I can show you a couple other features that you'll be able to see if you are driving past or to our campus. So immediately behind me is the main entry again, and to gather both natural light and airflow, we've created this space here which will be filled completely by bulletproof glass, but it'll be able to provide natural light into the space and again welcome you. The Izzy and Penny Myers Family Campus sign will be replaced right on the outside wall so that when you enter the campus or are driving past, everyone will know where we are. Again, you heard from Jay last week. The dedication of the Myers family to Temple Bat Yahm can't be overstated, and I want to thank them for the foresight they had in investing in us. Special thanks this week to 2 gentlemen who have been holding my hand through this whole process. The bosses of our construction committee, Jeff Menkes and Barry Katz. This would not happen without their attention to detail and constant and vigilant attention. I want to thank them personally for what they've done in this project and how they've helped me through it. Barry, Jeff, thanks guys.